Hello all, let us discuss about superstition in India. We have almost 5,000 years of history detailing language, religion, literature, art, culture and ways of living. So it's not hard to believe we may have picked up a few superstitions along the way. The Cambridge Dictionary defines superstition as a belief that is not based on human reason or scientific knowledge, but is connected with old ideas about magic, etc. Indian superstitions and beliefs are quite rampant. There are many beliefs and superstitions in India that range from amusing to downright bizarre. Here are some of the most commonly held Indian superstitions. You can observe at least one of them being practiced almost every day in most areas. Here's a closer look at some superstitions in India. First one is hanging lemon and green chilies. Fact about lemon and chili is that lemon and chili both have insecticidal properties that keep insects away and protect your house and shop from insects. Second superstition is don't go near peepal tree at night. Fact behind this thing is that we all know that peepal tree releases large amounts of oxygen during the day and during night time it releases carbon dioxide. So, while there is no truth in the belief that a peepal tree is inhabited by spirits and ghosts, the aforementioned reason is probably why and how this superstition came into being. Third superstition is no cooking until Shraadh. Fact behind this thing is this is mostly followed by Hindus and the superstition says this is to prevent the burning of the soul of the deceased. However, the ritual may have been started to provide time to cope with loss and provide rest to the family of the deceased. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. If you want more videos on fact behind the superstition, let us know.